All right, guys, you are looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This one here is two-tone. It has diamond dust finish, as you can see, and the yellow border around. It is made with solid 925 sterling silver with gold plating. You can get this for top, bottom teeth, or a set. This is a 4-on-4. Here's the back side for you. Now this is just snaps right on the teeth. There's no silicone involved. It just snaps right on, made from an actual impression of the teeth, so it's going to fit perfectly. It just snaps right on the teeth. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. You get good service, handmade work, quality, custom grills. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.